This is our code cat, Jellybean. Came late, could you please explain what you're building? Oh, yeah. So, I'm building a Chrome extension to keep track of my past stream titles and go live notifications so that I kind of have a drop down to add them whenever I want. And then that way I can repeat old ones or new ones whenever I want. And then if I want to make a new one and save it, it'll also store it for me. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be like a cat on my lap. Just wants to push me away from the microphone. Yeah, not like. Okay. Yeah, you can. They can. They can hear you, cat. They're not amused either, okay, kitty? Kitty cat. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just go folder for all this. How is this? Why don't we open a folder? You get a workspace? You need a manifest. Rapidly are different, which okay, so this thing's actually this one there. Okay, that okay, now we got that up and running. How's everyone today? This is gonna be the tricky part. I want this to come. Pop out this for this. So we want these to be here. Storage. Yep. We don't have all these files yet, so we'll need them, but we'll start adding this. Need and quick. They're probably our best. So, which I have this picture here. Be reconfigured slightly. Come on. Switch a couple cool little things over. At hello now. Hey. I'm gonna expand that bot a bit more. I did learn a lot of stuff that was infuriating, but you know, things happen. Pop up. I should HTML. Oh, okay. We'll check our manifest. Now we need one more section. So what'll happen is this will go bust on, but we can test it. So main titles, folder. Okay, that's what I thought. It doesn't have an options thing. We gotta create that. So let's do this. Okay, new one in. Done. Save that. Then I think we need one more because we. Saved. Okay, so now we have this all set up. Let's retry. Okay, now we have it. We have title selector. Nothing in it. Yay. So there's a couple more ways we can go about this whole thing. We can make it where only this is populated when it's actually required. And what I want us to be able to do is come in here, not inside, it doesn't have an ID to it, which is kind of bad. there's not an ID either, which kind of worries me. This thing doesn't exactly have an ID, right? It's got a class to it. I mean, maybe we can grab it from finding the folder. So what I do with that is I bring that here, kind of do like section up here of dynamic data that I want, and then these are kind of more, I mean, this could be a constant. Okay, so we have that one done. We don't need this anymore. This is one. This should have inserted. Then we go to this background. So I've already made this before. Kind of have this one already set up to some degree. The big part about it is just going to be colors for right now, red, white, and then I also want message, title, and act. And that's kind of what's going on. Because this is going to be from the pop-up and it wants to be inserting text. Over here, match found. So this should be URL match found, just so I'm, more reliant on where this thing is. So this is here. We have the active tab, which will be fired right after it. Then this background gets inserted. We're going to add a button to our script. Be and we'll just put here. Our current one really can't have. I know. Hey. Calm down. I have you like move over there. Would you come over here, little kid? I mean, there's more space. Lay up here. How about that, huh? What if I move all this stuff on my desk for you? You crawl over here. Whoa. Like, I am very comfy here. She was very happy where she was. And unfortunately now she's very possessive of my mouse, so give me 1 minute. She's not happy. I mean, I kind of don't blame her, being on the lap. Okay, you're gonna be more civil, kid? Okay. That doesn't mean coming back down on my lap. Okay, fine. That means coming back down on my lap. Sometimes you just don't argue. So let's grab this kind of button in here. And then what we need to do is come over to the script instead of having this console, because we don't need that anymore. Just set up our button. This is when our window is loading. So grab some button setup thing we have, and then we'll grab this ID, push it for this one, on click function, post hit, right? Current tab from here, final text, which is actually going to be text now. So let's see what it does. Okay, make sure we update the update button. do is come over here, post detail. Happen. Get PR string not defined. Oh, yeah. So we're just gonna delete this. So we're just gonna comment this out. Rerun. Up here, post details and text. Pop-up is not. Oh. Yep, that would help. I loaded all these things but forgot to import. It helps when you do this more often than not. Let's see. Add this. Back down here, we just updated. Come back to this. And okay. Only part that I want to see is this. Right? There we go. That way everyone knows we're in the stream manager. Kind of see what we're doing. Post detail, inspect, full. Inspect. Save. Update again. Details, inspect. Post hit. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to change this. So this is one of ours. Let's find one of my other ones that I've done before. Up real quick. Here, update. Okay, we have the background one. And see, maybe if it's a problem with my manifest file where this dashboard, you want me to get billions from creating a $1 billion app? I appreciate that. That would be awesome. Right now, I mostly focus on like little niche things where the community has a lot of feedback and can deliver like extra little sections and data for it. And you know, I usually use my apps as a test bed to learn new things. Oh, I don't even this. I don't. Totally different. Okay, so maybe that, and that's not blocking it. First level of the file. But I also do a lot of YouTube stuff. Am I a computer science graduate? Yes, I am. I have a computer science degree. I have a nuclear engineering degree. I have a bachelor's degree. I have been pwned. What is this? Are we working on? Print tab ID. Got that. Got that. Fire background. Right. Result in a log. Do the same thing here. I mean, let's do this. Add and then print. Let's just add some like logging in. I'm curious to see how the AMD GPU hack will end. Which hack? Here, update. Out of a background. How do I declare this whole thing a module? Okay, so let's say I can't do that. So background. That's probably what's botching this. So let's just say I can't do that. Let's then say that take all these. We're just gonna take all these real quick. Put them all here. Save this. Back here, update this. Close this. Refresh this. Unknown token. Delete. 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 Okay. Save. Try this again. It was injected this time. Yay! Okay, so this is red already been declared. What? I'm so confused. The identifier red has already been declared on the background. Okay, let's delete this because we don't need this anymore. Red is here. I just want to get it to work. Update. Background color. Can't read property of background color of undefined. If not undefined. How do you check if it's undefined? Oh my gosh, I was already checking for undefined. Like if this area is not undefined. Okay, I just want it to do, so it says if this is equal to this, do that. That's okay. Now it's saying red is not defined. And white is defined. We're just gonna just comment that out. So I think it's saying that this way is the better approach. Oh my gosh, I just want my auto formatter. I was in an interview one time and they were just like, are you slightly OCD when it comes to this? I'm like, slightly? So I apparently don't need this because it's already imported. And I'm thinking I don't need this either. I'll just delete that. A value is undefined. So if it doesn't have a background. So it's saying that the style is not saying cannot read property background color of undefined. So is it style undefined? Okay, so this isn't undefined, right? So let's undo all this. Isn't undefined. This is style undefined. Copy. We're just going to comment this. Console. Oh, no. Console. Oh, how did I. Okay, these need to go bye-bye. I already deleted those. Okay, so that's why. Yep. I forgot. We rolled. We did a version control. We rolled something back. And I will come back and figure out why that constants file system is not working. Now I just want to see if it does work. All these little minor things ironed out. Save. Okay. I just wish this had an ID on it. If it had an ID on it, I wonder if I can look it up via placeholder. Get element class. Get element by, is it tag name? Oh, that's the HTML tag type. How many of these are there? There's only 4 of those. Okay, let's try that then. It's only 4. So, oh no, wait. What do I do? Yeah, this here. If dot, or can I do 0 not undefined? Then let's do it. Try that. Update. Refresh. This is a bit crazy. Okay, hit this post. Reference tile. Oh. Gotcha. Gotcha. White is not defined. Oh my gosh. The shortcut worked one time, will not work the second. Love it. Bar updated. Why not implement it on the bot? Because not everyone's gonna have my bot, and this is something that I can get out there and have more people have. Okay, I kind of like that. It'll tell me what's going on. Yeah, so it's not just for me, right? I try to build things that other people can use, and I don't need. Great. That gets saved. So now here is like the injector for it. And it's going to be just subject insert. So I wonder if I can send this all as one chunk, right? Or can I only send one from subject insert? And maybe I just need to do it as a. If I go my own stream manager, yeah. Why not? I'm not seeing the edit stream information slash box though. Are you under stream manager? Are you logged into your own account? Right. That should be your thing. Oh, it's because you're not an affiliate. Right? Is this for affiliates only? Am I only designing this for affiliates? Oh, that's not good. Oh, there's a whole panel you're missing then, maybe. That's what it is. Oh, you're also using fireworks. No, okay, so 1 second. Let me scroll up so I can find out. There's a button that has edit stream information, then a window pops up with that stuff. Yeah, this is kind of what I was afraid of, which is why I went poking around. No, it's there. So you have to hit this button right here. Do you see this button? You hit this, and then there are panels that you have to add. So once you add this panel, it'll find it. And I mean, maybe that's something I want to say. Hey, inspect. Then, that's a mosaic root. The title. So I need to do a search. Okay. Basically, let me pause to rescroll. Okay. Okay, I added the panel and now I see that's a bit of oversight in my opinion. Yeah, I definitely think so. So what I may need to do is like build a thing in where it says, hey, look for mosaic titles, and then find the one that has like edit stream information, I think. If you don't have that, like there's a problem. Yeah. So I definitely need to do that. So var which this equal to doc get element by class name. That in there. Okay, so that'll get all of those. Yeah, I definitely feel it's a chunk of oversight. That feels really weird that it would only. So yeah. Well, okay, that's also going to be the only thing here. Can we send? I'm assuming it changes the title. How are you supposed to submit the changes? So let me close this. Let me grab this, pull this way down here. So then you can click done. So what we're gonna do is like have go live notification, category, and then like search tags I think will be in here. So I want to do this. Right. On this one updated, and then it's kind of want to do the next background piece and be . Did that make sense? I think that if I'm going through the trouble of changing the title, that would be done. That it should be done automatically. No, I'm definitely gonna have like instead of this button, it'll be post details, and it'll be like switch stream or update stream right here. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have it where pop up like another button here, and we can take. I get that that's bad juju right now. We're just gonna add styling in here. Duke. Probably end up having this file real quick. Now we'll have actual buttons. What we can do is come back in here to this part. Do this. Here. Grab this. Save that. Paste this in here, right? So we don't need this anymore. And then instead of insert, we'll have this where it says constant, right? Instead of this will be export constant, and it'll be update stream info is equal to stream. Right, and so what will happen here, we'll have this as a different kind of setup for it, and so we'll actually submit the button, right? So instead of that here, that up there. So what will happen is when it comes down here, it'll go, okay, boop, all this stuff needs to change. I was about to recommend trying to inject your own JS code into Twitch's JS code, but then I quickly realized that Twitch probably wouldn't appreciate it. So I slightly am. I'm loading a set of event listeners onto the window, but that's all I'm doing, right? Because this does kind of, it's set up in the background. And then this is else. You know, insert, right? So this probably needs to be all pulled out into its own function so I can call it on both setups. And then this done button, let's inspect this. So okay. Is there anything inside of it? So this is interesting. Like, okay, you have this, and you have this, but then you have this. There's a button. It has this massively huge. Oh my gosh. This is not going to be fun. Wait a minute. B.D.title on click. Where is that? I'm trying to find something relatively unique to this. I may just look for a button. How many? This is really bad. There are 146 button. But oh wait a minute, what about only with the tag? There's only 71 with the tag button. Right? And what I can do is I can go within this mosaic, look for a button that has title. Right? Yeah, it's all hooked into JS. The problem is, it's like they don't use titles. Or, I mean, they don't use IDs, right? So just because there's this button right here, unless I like look for this exact class, copy. You know, I mean, for giggles, let's see if I can find this button. So, let's just make a constant up here. Done button is equal to. Right, let's just try this. See if I can even find it. We'll have this mosaic thing. We'll have this bar done button equal to doc element. Oh, it class done class. Okay. And then just change this dot style dot background color. That did not work. I don't. It said undefined. Okay, so if what happens if we do that? Alright, so since already been declared. Bam, we got it. Now that's not gonna be 100% right. You're not doing anything, you're just listening to a crazy man. Oh, I've been there, man, where I'm like, crap, I need to just go back and refactor something. Like it was a good design choice at the time, not so much after the fact.